harmonyOS PC now I have can go to the developer option, developer mode. Just follow the instructions, go to the about, and then double click the software, and then they will pop out the menu and type the password, and then restart the computer, and you will go to the developer mode. So that click system developer options so that you can choose the developer to turn it on for the developer options. And I also turn on the USB debug so that it will be convenient to transfer the files from other devices. So I now allow the USB debug mode for default. It is off, and they also mentioned that you need to plug at the right top corner side so that it can be debugged. So similar stuff like tracing the logs and some kind of logs, the Wi-Fi detail logs, and so on for the logs. Okay, so now go to the HiShell, sudo apt/linux, those kind of command. It doesn't work, but similar to Linux and Unix like, I think something similar. So you type ls, you can see ls CPU doesn't work, ls it works, sudo may not work, ls CPU cannot see the CPU. So but when you type help, you will see a type box for some command. You type box, you will see a lot of commands over there, so you can try who am I. Yeah, it works. And so many commands you can try to test. Similar to Linux, because harmonyOS open harmonies, I think is something rectify the Linux and Unix like and change the everything from Linux, because everything based on Linux, but they just changed it, so it is called native OS. I think it's okay because they just refer to Linux, but the command is different. Ping localhost, it works. Telnet also works. So there are so many commands. TAR table can unzip the things. Compression file, uname, wget, umount, tty, a lot of those kind of things. ifconfig, you can see the, those kind of internet adapter. The Ethernet adapters also can be safe Linux. So you name harmonyOS is not Linux. So help, type help, you will have an A, and then you will show all the commands with description so that you know what the commands do, and with detailed information, so that it will be very convenient. Now I want to see the CPU. Type cat plot CPU like something cup, and you will see the CPU core 20 cores, 10 cores physical, and then hyperthread to 10 cores to 20 cores totally. It's the Huawei x90. It is firmed, so 20 cores and 10 cores physical, hyperthread to 20 cores, so it's so fast like CPU.